Alright, I'm behind the wheel of the Hyundai IONIQ 5. I have engaged the driver assist. I'm going to keep control of the speed. We'll do that on the next one. And now I'm going to remove my hands. And let's see how we do. So this is running a level 2 plus or level 2.5 driver assist, which means that it will keep the lanes. You're able to take your hands off for a short period of time. Get a bit nervous still. Get a new car, but it seems to be doing an okay job at keeping the speed. Now I'm being reminded to put my hands back on the wheel. Fantastic. And now I'm going to set the speed. Perfect. And one thing that I do have to say is the heads-up navigation, the heads-up display is really quite good. The animations on it are superior to what Audi has, just in terms of the graphics quality. When you're near the lane, the icon that comes up, okay, we're coming up to a turn, how are we going to do? We're keeping it, all right. This is a pretty significant turn, and we're doing it. All right, hands on the wheel, gotcha. I'm going to do it again on this one because no one's overtaking me. I'm a little nervous about that. And this is also fine. So now I should note that Hyundai recommends that you keep your hands on the steering wheel the whole time. This is really for me just to check and see how their driver assist is working, because as we move towards level 3 and level 4 autonomous drive, cars are going to have to figure out how to drive on their own. And in order to do that, the cars need to start to gather data. The cars need to figure out how to drive by themselves. And what's interesting is that this car is able to overtake. So let's give that a whirl.
So it's not often that I admit failure so easily, but I was defeated by the automatic overtake system in the IONIQ 5. I talked to the Hyundai filming crew after I came back from my drive, and they even explained to me that they had a very difficult time getting this feature to work. So there needs to be an exact set of circumstances in place for the feature to kick in. So it's the speed, it's the cars around you. So when you approach a car, you have to have no cars approaching anywhere near behind you to create any potential danger. So the safety is great, which is amazing because you don't really want your car changing lanes if it's not safe, but it means that the feature isn't maybe as seamless and as automatic as you would hope. So this was my test drive, my first impressions of the Hyundai IONIQ 5. I'm Nicole Scott for Mobile Geeks.